Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. And today marks the 2-month anniversary of my FUE hair transplant. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I felt, what's going on, and all that good stuff, all right? So let's get right to it. So 2 months ago, I had my procedure done at Hair Medical Restoration, and Dr. Cortez operated on my hairline. And as you can see, it's doing pretty good. I'm actually really surprised at the results. I mean, I was told that there would be hair loss, and there has been some hair loss because, you know, they implant the hair, but then it falls out like 4 to 5 weeks after. And some of it fell out, but not all of it. Like, you guys see all this hair here, this little front line here, like that's all new hair and it didn't fall out. But here I did get some hair loss, and here too. But if you look really closely, you can see little teeny tiny baby hairs coming out. I'll try to zoom in on that now. So as you can see, there's like these little teeny tiny hairs there. I'm gonna try to put my fingers through it so you guys can see. There's like little baby hairs coming through. Some of them are super tiny, but I can see them just below the surface trying to like burst up and out, you know? And on this side too. And there's still a little teeny tiny bit of pinkness, but that's going away every day. So it's healing really well. Now the back of my head looks great. It looks like I had nothing ever done. Let me show you guys. So I have plenty of hair back here, and if I run my hands through it, you can't tell that anything ever got done. And it's hard to see on camera, but in real life, if you guys looked closely, you wouldn't be able to tell that anything got done. There would be no scars, no redness. It just looks like a natural normal scalp. I've seen other YouTube videos where at the 2-month mark, the guys have way less hair than this. So I think this is a testament to how good Dr. Cortez is, because I think I'm doing really well for 2 months. So I can only imagine how I'm gonna look at 3 months, and especially the 4th month. They say the 4th month is when like there's like an explosion of hair and it all starts like coming in at once. So I can't wait till that. Something that I've found really interesting during the healing process is that sometimes I'll be like watching TV, and all of a sudden here in the area where I got the hair transplant, I'll feel like a little teeny tiny pinprick, like for like a microsecond. And I think that's just the nerves connecting or blood vessels and capillaries forming there, because essentially all the new hairs need plumbing. You know, they need little capillaries and blood vessels to feed them. And I think in that process of them growing in and nerves growing in, you feel these little teeny tiny electric shocks. Nothing scary, nothing painful, but sometimes I'll be watching TV and I'll be like, ooh, what was that? And it must be that. So that's something to take into account if you guys get a hair transplant. It's probably going to be like that for a few months until it's like fully, you know, grown out and fully, the plumbing is fully there. Now, since my hair transplant, I haven't cut my hair. I've shaved the sides here. I shaved them once, but this top part, I never cut it. So this is like all like real growth. This part, I shaved it once with like the level setting number 3 with a shaver. So this would actually be longer and crazier looking if I hadn't shaved it. But for this video, I didn't want to do any shaving. I just wanted to go au natural for you guys. Anyways, guys, so that's just a quick update. I went to Hair Medical Restoration in Tijuana, Mexico, and Dr. Cortez is the doctor that did this magnificent work on me. All right, guys? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and all that stuff. I'm going to start making more videos, not about my hair, but about trending topics. So keep a lookout on for that, all right? So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Moises Amaya, and I'm out.